Reading Level 1, Learning Outcome 3, Cues and Clues in Reading. How to remember a spelling. There are lots of different techniques you can use to help you remember a spelling, even tricky ones. Very often when we make spelling mistakes, we only get the most difficult parts of the word wrong. For example, the word necessary. It's a difficult one to spell because it is hard to remember whether it has one or two C's or one or two S's in it. Tip. One way to remember is to say to yourself, is it necessary for a shirt to have two sleeves and one collar? This helps you remember that there are two S's and one C's. So this is a memory aid to help you. It's a clue or a cue to help you remember a difficult spelling. So necessary, it's got two sleeves, two S's, one collar, one C. So the spelling, as you can see there, is one C and two S's. Here are some other difficult words and ideas for remembering how to spell them. So the word embarrassed. I get really red when I make an ass of myself. So really red is giving you a clue. Two R's. When I make an ass, two S's. So it has two R's and two S's in embarrassed. When you do something and you don't feel good about it, you feel embarrassed. Wednesday. That's a tricky one to spell. But if you remember, I got wed on a Wednesday, you remember it starts off with W-E-D. Business. I mind my own business when I am in the bus. So bus, I-N-E-S-S, spells business. Daughter. Now here we have an acronym where there's a word, daughter, and each one of these starts off a different word in a sentence which is easy to remember. My daughter doesn't always understand good humans tidy every room. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. So these are all hints to help you with difficult spellings. So you can make up your own. The sillier and the dafter, the better. It'll help you remember it. Okay, so can you please fill out these words here beneath and send them back to me. Next time you make a spelling mistake, look at the part of the word that you are getting wrong. Try and think of some way to help you to remember how to spell the word correctly next time. You will remember your own ideas best, so you can make up some of your own. It's a good little technique and it does work, so try it out.